All right, we're at Crownsville, huh?
Yep.
Crownsville. Drainage. Let's take a look what we got going on here. What do you say there, Biggie?
Yeah.
What you got? What you got here, Biggie? Okay. Yep, I slide right underneath that. It'd be perfect. Drain right out.
You already cut it?
Yeah. Don't you think? Maybe not. Maybe better I'll hook it over here. That might be part of the maybe of a drain field or something.
But everything is stuff.
Everywhere?
Yeah, we already started sticking down now. And all the way to the white here is the same.
Same thing? Okay. Then you can put it underneath. I would just cut it and put it underneath there then. But do you need perf pipe?
We already got put pipe.
No, I mean.
Matt sold them. That's
Huh?
all. That's all that's going in is perf pipe.
Okay.
There's already half the French drain here. You can just reuse the rocks, put them back on top.
Yeah, that's fine. Yep. No, but I mean, you got perf pipe, but you getting water from out of here? You hooking it from the house? Coming this way?
No.
Yes, only we already start. This line start right here, and the
Okay.
other one up to the pool.
Okay. But he's got water laying in here, so he wants to get rid of it.
Yeah, but Matt told me we already got all the time. It's a lot of water right here, but we already to look at it. This is a PVC. I think this is the main one for the sprinkler.
You think there might be a leak there?
Maybe leak something like right here. That's why all the time we install.
Yeah, could be a leak, or it could just be, it's just the sprinkler is just holding the water. So you put the pipe in there, then you drain it.
But he told me the main water for the sprinkler is off already, but I don't know.
I got you. Well, a lot of water pumping in here, you know?
Yeah.
So
But,
put that perf in there, that'll suck it out of there.
You can see
I'm
this.
with you. Yeah, this is the water table. Okay,
And you
that'll
get
get rid of it.
that way.
Yeah, that's a good idea to putting that perf in there. That'll get rid of it.
That's the one we already told. He's here. He's coming in right here.
Uh-huh.
30 minutes ago left.
Huh?
Matt or the homeowner?
Matt.
Okay,
And we already told me started there.
gotcha. That'll get rid of the water though, you know? It's a good idea. That'll work. That'll work, Mr. Tobar, sir. It is a lot of water pumped up here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a lot of water too.
Especially
Wet.
with all the downspouts already tied in.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah, because the PVC is all the way back in there.
all the way down there.
Yeah, it's all the way down.
Well, what you're doing will get rid of the water for sure, regardless where it's coming from. It might be coming from a couple sources,
Yeah.
you know?
Some water with it. Maybe come from a couple of them.
Yeah, it could be coming a couple different sources. Water moves around like crazy, you know?
Yeah.
Kind of like you, moves around all over the place. Georgia one day, Maryland the next.
Remember back there, how many dumpsters we had for trash?
That's what he was just telling me on the glass.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you remember that?
Yeah.
Oh, that was funny you said that. I was just telling Graydon about that when Gary called me and asked me if we,
It's right here, and this things over back to the next house.
yeah, coming up the hill.
Yeah.
Yep. I remember I just said that to you. That's funny when you said that. I was thinking, how do you remember that? That's been years ago.
I think it's 2004, 2005.
Yeah, 15 years ago.
Like that.
I remember when Gary called me about that.
Yeah. It's a lot of
There was a lot of glass, wasn't it?
A lot of glass, a lot of tires, a lot of metal, a lot of plastic.
Where did we put all that? In the dumpster?
And dumpster, I remember we had to fill it up like a 5 or 6 dumpster.
It was an old dump.
Yeah.
Whoever had the property, they must have just dumped all their non-garbage type of material.
Yeah, I remember when we had to take them off all this stuff and all these houses is under construction.
Yeah, remember?
Finish here.
It was Ed Smith up here.
Yeah.
Remember? Karina, how you doing? You doing okay? Good. Talked to Joshua the other day. He was just telling me he's doing good in school. He texted me. Yeah, he texted me. I was talking to him. All right, camera guy's here. I guess I can get rid of turn my camera off. We'll get to another job site. All right, we'll talk to you guys soon. Everything going on? How's she doing?
Doing good. Just talking about next week. Potential customers, trying to
Accommodate
squeeze in
everybody.
before Thanksgiving. It's just tight on the schedule, trying to find room.
It's America. Make it work.
Anything happen.
Let's take a look. How's these fish doing this morning? So you got,
looks good.
so you got the net on.
Oh yeah, keeping all the leaves out.
They're just hanging out.
Oh yeah.
Come on, let's see what's going on here. Phones are ringing. Phones are ringing. All right. Well, we wanted to check in here. We ready to head down to 2 job sites in Annapolis?
Yep.
All right.
That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.